Okay, this is how to string the stainless steel pistol crossbow. Comes with a wire string, and this thing slides back and forth. That's supposed to stay in the center. That protects the string. So you slide it in. Let's see. Just stick it in this slot. And then you get it in. Once you slide it forward, you put one end over, just like the toothpick crossbow. And then this is what you have. Then I brace it against myself, hold the loop here, and then just bend. You can see I'm bending that. Slide it over, and there it is. And then that little metal thing, you just slide in the center, and you're ready to go. And then to cock it, just pull it back, and you're ready to go.